Good evening, traders, and assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is okay. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. That's my another account, as you can see, and this account is real as well. Just look at the history of this account. We deposit about 3.1k, and our withdraw is 4k on this account, and we make about 9.5k profit. Let's scroll up and see the history of this account. Yeah, we deposit about 4th of March 2019 2.6k, and we start our work. As you can see, guys, our lot sizes, they are really small and really good. You can make money with the small lot sizes as well, and you can make big money. I can show you. If you want to be a professional trader, or if you really want to earn money safely, that's the important thing. Yeah, risk management and money management. If you know how to manage your money, if you know how much you need to take risk, you will be a professional trader and you will be successful trader. I use lots, big lot sizes as well when I damn sure about trades, like the what I'm gonna take the trade and what's gonna happen with that trade. I will show you on this account as well. As you can see this GBP New Zealand trade, we took this trade on 27/03/2019, 0.35 lot sizes, and I earned about $412 on one trade, and we have one gold trade underneath this as well, $150. So guys, I will show you what day I make a withdraw on this account. Let me scroll down. Look at the lot sizes, the risk and money management. We withdraw about 1st of April 2019, guys. Yeah, I make 4k within 27 days with proper risk and money management. Yeah, so if you want to be a professional trader, yeah, there is a link in the description of my channel, so you can join my channel and you can contact me over there as well at UK Pro Traders. And guys, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon as well, so you will get more videos. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Cheers.